This video is fully AI generated, using synthetic visuals and voice.
Deep in the crushing silence of the abyss.
Deep in the silence, the Leviathan waits. I reach out and touch history.
From the crushing silence, the Leviathan awakens.
Inside, the silence is deeper. Everything rusted, corroded, forgotten. Inside, the final silence. Bones rest where they fell. Plates, cups, untouched.
Lifting a ghost from the deep.
Breaking the surface after decades. The storm rages, but the deep gives it back. We lift it from the abyss. Everyone stands.
Finally, on solid ground. But now, the real difficulty begins. So massive.
The warrior returns to air. The tower that once hunted, now silent. First touch. Feeling the weight of 80 years. Layers of ocean armor. Now inside, the truth is revealed. Gently awakening the steel. Washing away the sea's embrace. Freeing hidden details.
Peeling back time.
The scars run deep.
The railing that once guided sailors.
Opening the eye.
First resistance. First victory. Entering the heart of silence.
Step by step.
Freeing the blades.
Every flake tells a story.
Revealing what lies beneath. The engines have slept too long.
One instrument at a time.
Gentle care for hard steel.
The ocean says goodbye.
Washing the weapon of the past.
Letting go of decay.
First glimpse of the original soul.
Progress, slow but real. The spine of the beast.
Halfway between death and life.
Turning poison into protection.
One last rinse.
a name from history.
drying the tears of the deep.
The first shine.
A long road ahead. Tower begins to remember.
Stripping to the bone. No mercy for corrosion.
Raw and honest.
Fire to heal fire. Stitching the past.
The wound is closed.
Making scars disappear.
Sparks of rebirth. Inside the beast. Chemistry of revival. The lungs of the machine.
Clearing the airways. Breath returns. Restoring sight.
Crystal vision reborn.
The heart awakens.
Pistons will beat again.
Binding past to future.
First breath of new skin.
Sealing the story.
Smoothing canvas.
Layer by layer.
Perfection in patience.
Ready for color.
Creating the future.
Form follows function.
Perfect alignment.
The wound is gone.
Invisible repair.
Clearing the path inside. Depth readings return. Readings return.
Veins reconnect.
Smooth motion awaits.
No corner left untouched.
Every detail matters.
Uniform beauty.
Strength restored.
Clean slate.
Flawless from every angle. Bringing back the gleam of steel.
Warmth returns to metal.
Gold rescued from the deep.
Sealing the entrance once more.
locked against the silence.
Eyes of the deep open again.
Life signs return.
Silent blades reborn.
ready to turn once more.
Deeper, darker, eternal.
Shadow and strength.
Revealing the markings.
Marking the legend anew.
Symbol of endurance etched.
Glass shield forms.
Immortal finish. Diamond from the deep. A mirror to history.
Safe passage restored.
Everything in its place.
Heart clean and ready.
From bow to stern.
The abyss has been conquered. Vision clear forever. The Leviathan breathes again. A silent warrior reborn.